Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Podcast English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emily. Hi, Alex. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Emily. I've been spending some time on social media lately, and I thought, why not talk about it today?
That's a perfect topic. Social media is everywhere these days. Everyone uses it for fun, for work, for learning, even for meeting new people.
Exactly. So today's topic is talking about social media. We'll explore how people use it, the good sides, the bad sides, and how it affects our lives.
Sounds great. Let's get started.
Emily, let's start with a simple question. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear social media?
I think of connection. It's about connecting with friends, family, and people around the world.
I totally agree. For me, social media means communication. It's amazing that we can send messages, photos, and videos instantly, no matter where we are.
Yes, I still remember when people used to write letters. Now everything happens online in seconds.
That's true. Which social media apps do you use most often?
I use Instagram for photos, Facebook for keeping in touch with old friends, and YouTube for learning. What about you?
I'm more into TikTok and YouTube. I like short videos, especially funny ones, and English learning videos.
That's great! TikTok is full of creativity.
Emily, do you think social media has changed the way people live?
Oh, absolutely. Before social media, we didn't know much about people's daily lives. Now, we can see what our friends eat, where they go, and what they do every day.
Yes, sometimes I think we know too much.
That's true, but it also helps us stay close to friends who live far away.
Exactly. I have a friend in Japan. We don't talk often, but when I see his posts, I feel connected.
That's one of the beautiful things about social media connection without distance.
Let's talk about the good sides of social media. What do you think are the best things about it?
Well, for me, it's learning. I follow English teachers, travel bloggers, and motivational speakers. I learn new things every day.
That's awesome. I also learn a lot from YouTube and podcasts. There's so much free information online.
Yes, and social media can help people find jobs, promote businesses, and even share their art.
Exactly. Many people become successful just by sharing their talent online.
Right, it's also a great way to raise awareness about social issues, like climate change or helping others.
Good point. Social media can be powerful when used for good causes.
Now, let's look at the other side. What about the negative parts of social media?
I think one big problem is addiction. Many people, including me sometimes, spend too much time scrolling.
Me too. Sometimes I open my phone just for 5 minutes, but then 1 hour later, I'm still watching videos.
Exactly. Time passes so quickly online.
Also, there's a lot of fake news or misinformation on social media. Not everything we see is true.
That's so important. We should always check before sharing.
And some people compare their lives to others online, which can make them feel sad or less confident.
Yes, that's dangerous. People usually show only the good side of their lives, not the real one.
That's why it's important to remember social media is not real life.
So, how can we use social media in a healthy way?
Good question. I think the key is balance. We can enjoy it, but we shouldn't let it control us.
Exactly. I try to set a time limit, maybe 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the evening.
That's smart. I also try to follow pages that make me feel good, like travel, learning, or motivational quotes.
That's a great idea. Unfollow anything that makes you stressed.
Yes, and don't forget, sometimes it's okay to take a break from social media.
Totally agree. A digital detox can really help your mind relax.
Alex, how do you think social media will change in the future?
I think it will become even more interactive, maybe with virtual reality or 3D experiences.
That sounds exciting. Maybe one day we'll talk to our friends as holograms.
Yes, but I also hope people will use it more responsibly to share kindness, not hate.
I hope so too. The future of social media depends on how we use it today.
That's true. It's a tool, and tools can be used for good or bad. Okay, Alex, let's play a little game. I'll describe a social media app and you guess which one it is.
Sounds fun. Let's go.
Okay, this app is full of short videos, music, and trends. People dance a lot there.
That's easy. TikTok.
Correct. Next one. This app is famous for pictures and stories, and people love using hashtags.
Instagram.
Yes.
Okay, one more. This app is for short messages, only a few words, and people often talk about news or opinions there.
That's X, or we used to call it Twitter.
Right, you're good at this.
I spend too much time online, that's why.
Let's teach our listeners some useful social media vocabulary.
Great idea. I'll start. The first word is post. A post means something you share online, like a photo, video, or message.
Good one. My word is like. When you like a post, it means you enjoy it or agree with it.
Another one is follow. When you follow someone, you subscribe to their updates.
Yes, and comment means you write a response or message under a post.
And don't forget share. It means to share a post to other people.
Nice vocabulary. Very useful for anyone learning English today. So, Alex, how do you usually use social media in your daily life?
Well, in the morning, I check messages and notifications. During lunch, I watch short videos. At night, I listen to podcasts or read motivational quotes.
That sounds healthy. I use social media mostly for learning and entertainment, watching English and travel videos.
That's perfect. Learning and fun together.
Yes, and I also follow pages about photography. It inspires me to take better pictures.
That's a great hobby. Social media can be a wonderful tool for creativity.
So, Alex, what's your final advice for our listeners about social media?
I'd say enjoy it, but don't let it control you. Use it to learn, connect, and share positivity.
Perfectly said. I'd add, remember to live in the real world too. Talk to people face to face, enjoy nature, and take breaks from the screen.
Yes, balance is the key.
Well, that's all for today's episode of Podcast English Channel.
We hope you enjoyed our 2-hour conversation about social media.
And we hope you learned some new English words and expressions too.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to follow, like, and share.
Yes, just like on social media. Bye, everyone, and see you next time.
Bye, everyone, and see you next time.